Hazur, he referring to the answers given in the beginning of this program about the Messiah of the latter days. He said, can people draw the conclusion that his mission will be completely failed because he will just come with a warning, he will not bring good tidings?
That would be his mission. Giving warning would be his mission. See, when people rejected Noah, his mission did not fail. All prophets come to deliver a warning. It's up to the people whom he addresses to accept the warning or not. So the moment he delivers the warning, he fulfills the purpose. So in that case, Masih would not fail, but the people would fail. Got it?